I just woke up, by the way. I'm doing good, I hope y'all doing good as well. Hope this video found you in good health. But yeah, so a lot of people have been asking me like, how do you create more so how do I like be creating a lot of good music and things like that? Like how do you write a good song? And the answer to that question is basically what you gotta do is you gotta embrace who you are, you know, embrace your flaws and a lot of shortcomings that you have and be real. Because a lot of people nowadays, they just like to be like everyone else or just follow like what's trending. If you just embrace, who you are and what you're made of, then, that's going to show through your art and everything that you do. So even when you write a song or you create something, and even if it's, interpreted as something bad, at least it's real. At least it's true to you. At least it's true to what you represent and who you are. Because that really impacts people. It gives them hope. Because more often times than not, you'll realize that a lot of people who create the most beautiful pieces of art be the most broken and most, torn. Even myself. That's why a lot of my music is pretty, emotional. But not most of it, just, a good portion of it, But that really comes from a place of, my own experiences. So when you create a song or you create anything in general, create it through your own unique lens of how you view things and what you want them to come off as, because people will understand it, and they'll love it. Somebody will, but it's inevitable for people to dislike your art. So. But that's really why it's so important to remember the purpose of why you're doing what you're doing. Because you're not doing it so people could, love it or dislike you. You're doing it because it's an expression of yourself. It's an expression of your flaws, So embrace your flaws to create flawless works and flawless art. And what I mean by that is, like, it's not going to be perfect. Of course not. But it won't be fake. And anything fake, I say, is a misrepresentation of who you really are and what you represent. So if you just take everything that's in your head and you put it on that song, you put it on that canvas, you put it in, whatever you do creatively, then it'll be flawless and unique. Because it's not fake. But yeah, hope y'all doing good. I want to let y'all know that I love y'all. I'm gonna keep dropping content. And yeah, I'll see y'all in the next one. Bye.